So I'm gonna get this up here, and we're gonna hook it in place. And if the wind stays cooperative, we will hoist it to make sure we've got everything right. But first things first.
Okay.
I'm gonna change this, but right now I'm just trying to make the system work. All right. We're gonna put the hanks on now. Are we tangled on this at all? Look at it.
Yeah, this one, yes. No, this one not. This one is round. Then what? The one in your hand, the line?
Around the front row?
Yeah.
I'll do it that way.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So.
You have to let go.
I didn't want to let it go and have it draw up and we lose it, and it go up and we don't have it. You gotta climb the mast.
I remember when when the gearbox broke down. We actually were returning because one of them was tangled like this. Not all the way out, right?
No. Let it down a second and try again. All right, go again. Hold on, let me get back into the wind so it's easier. What are you guys doing? Oh, making a U-turn before we get out the gate because we have a stuck halyard. So, best way to deal with that is to stay inside and fix it. And then turn around again.
Rigging,
Uh-huh.
and it's something we cannot fix it on the boat now. It has to go through one of these loops. Watch. But when we go back there.
So if this is when you're holding, we're gonna leave that pin back here, and we're gonna change the head sail to this one because this one is long enough to run all the way back. So, am I free?
Free from where?
All the rest up there?
I hate you.
I know. We need sunglasses just
Yes.
to look up.
No, balance wise.
All right.
Yeah.
Hold on when you look up.
Okay. Wait a minute. You just went around me here.
Did I tangle on you now?
Yeah. Let him go around you.
I'll make one of our pieces stationary.
Just stay there.
Okay.
Take this. Give me some. Oh no, I made it worse. Again? No. Just one. I asked it was correct. You just get this correct.
Now, all right?
Yeah.
You can click that on anywhere because we're not using it right now. We're not putting it on. And because this is not long enough. We don't have a long enough line to run it all the way back. So we can use that one for the head sail.
This one?
See how short this one is?
Yes. I understand.
That won't go on. We can't run that backwards. But the other one was one of the ones we got at when we were there. And we can run that one all the way back. And this is for the main. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Yeah, stop there and just tie it. And I'll put all the hanks on. And then we'll raise it. And run the lines back. You gotta run your lines back. Yeah, that's what we're doing. But all the way. Why are you doing that?
Simulation if you have to do it on the water. That's like a way.
I'm like, what in the world
Yeah.
are you doing?
Imagine like you're on the water, baby.
Okay.
And you just
Oh, and to set the record straight, the U-bolt for the anchor, I watched that video back. We were both entirely neglectful. It was
About?
both our fault.
About the anchor?
The bolt for the anchor.
Yeah.
The anchor wasn't strapped down. We
Jasmine,
didn't
chill,
take
chill,
the
Jasmine.
weight off of it. We could
Chill.
have put it on the dock. We could have done. There was so many things we missed the mark on. I'm surprised that thing didn't fall on our feet.
I love this.
We're here taking this anchor off so we can put this one on, and this was frozen, so a pipe wrench and a screwdriver as a persuader has gotten us all the way here. So now,
Oh!
I'm gonna call that a success.
I need to look. So that's it?
Tony's.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Yeah. What happened?
Nothing. That's the problem. So we did hook it up.
What do you mean nothing?
Yeah, nothing.
No.
This valve or whatever is not allowing the fuel to stay under pressure.
Our first underwater footage.
Oh God. Right? Like it was all great until it kind of just collapsed. But that's okay, because this problem is not the worst problem we could have. We were thwarted by our fuel line. It's sloshing.
Battle against fuel line.
We came to West Marine thinking we needed a new fuel line assembly and that ours was like not operating properly, like diaphragm was busted or something. And I realized none of these even have that in the line. So I think our entire problem is it's sucking air on the gas can and it's venting also with this valve that nobody seems to remember where we even got it from. So, solution, take the valve out. They don't even sell the valve.
Just based on the original. You know, we're going to try. I mean,
It sounds...
because, you know what I'm saying?
That's the problem.
No.
I'm convinced.
I am convinced you're right. This is one of the major reasons because, like you said, there is none of this application. I don't know where did we get it from, and it was found on the baby. It was found. It came with the boat.
Not there.
You heard me? It came with the boat, and when we thought that when
We just kept making new ones.
Yeah, we got.
But where did we even find it?
I don't know. It's not here.
No, you can't even buy one of those things here. You can buy the bulb.
Oh my gosh! So where did we get that?
I have zero clue. And just so you don't think I'm missing it, there is no such thing on this shelf.
European Steel Sport.
Yeah. Doesn't even exist. Alright. This is good.
It's good news.
Let's go. That's it.
Okay. Remind me.